This tune is called Summer Walking. This one also is in E, and it also demonstrates some of the things you can do with the open strings down here when you're playing in the key of E, the hammer-ons and pull-offs. Some of the speed with I'm doing part of this composition would be harder in this higher position. Not that I want to unduly rely upon hammer-ons and pull-offs. I think that, might be, setting your sights short, but certainly you want to be aware of what the capabilities are with hammer-ons and pull-offs with open strings. Open strings do, as I've said before, offer great resonance and kind of like, there's certain characteristics of an open string versus a fretted string that are, it's got greater sustain and that kind of thing. So without further ado, let's try this. The point across. The standard notation version will play it exactly correct each time. And anyway, so you start with this note and you walk down. And you hit. So, and then I did it with this one. It's kind of got a walking jazz feel. You may notice in certain rock tunes, they can have a certain jazz feel, like certain walking sounds. The blues has that too. So you'll pick up little threads of jazz and rock, and you'll pick up little threads of rock and jazz perhaps as well, especially modern jazz. So, with that, I leave you. Be sure to look at the standard notation version, and hopefully you can incorporate this song and it can be a learning experience for you.